Hello and welcome back. In this class, we are going to learn how to add in watermark and remove watermark within our LibreOffice document. So sometimes you may need to add watermarks to signify the authenticity of a particular document. If you want it to be confidential, sometimes you can have do not make a copy of this, or you want to put in something accordingly. So you can do that with LibreOffice as well. We can do that mostly using Microsoft Word, but it's very possible also within LibreOffice. So to add in watermark, all you need is to be on the document that you want to watermark. For this case, for example, you can always come to format and you can see watermark down here. So you can click on watermark, and this is where you type in the text that you want to put in into the document. So let's say we want to write something like confidential. Okay, and then you specify the font style over here. There are a series of styles that you can choose from, but at this point I want to go with the default, which is the Liberation Sans. I just click out. You can specify the angle. At what direction do you want the text to appear? Usually it is at the 45 degrees angle, but you can go as beyond that as well. You can make it 0, or you can make it 90 or 270 or 135 degrees, but I prefer it to be at 45 degrees, which is the default one, which is the usual one we do see in most of our documents. Now down here you can specify the transparency. How transparent do you want it? 50% transparent is good, which is the default, and then you can change the color of the text that you're going to have. There are a series of colors, but I think I prefer to go with this gray color, which is okay, very much okay. So once you're done with this, you can just go ahead and say okay to this, and this is going to add in the confidential text to your document. Like you can see it over here, this is confidential. Okay, so you can see strictly this is confidential, this document is confidential. You can see it very nicely written. Now at any given point, if you decide to change your mind that you don't want the watermark again, you want to remove it, you can always come back to formats, you can come to watermark again, and then you can just go ahead, remove the text directly, and you can say okay to this, and this your confidential is gone. You can see it very perfectly. Now you have a document without the watermark. So this concludes this class about adding watermark to your document to make it look professional in any way you want it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next class. Bye.